Hey, how are you? Of course you will be fine at a place. क्या आप भी how are you को बार बार यूज करके बोर हो चुके हैं? आते हैं कि इसके प्लेस पर कुछ और सेंटेंस यूज किया जाए. So in this video we are going to discuss that how can we replace how are you with some other questions. So without any delay, let's get started. My name is Ganesh Yadav and you are watching English Wala Pathshala. For the question how are you, there are many other questions and they are like this. How is everything? How is everything? How do you do? How do you do? What's going on? What's going on? What's up? Or what's up? How's everything? How's everything? How's your life? How's your life? How's life treating you? How's life treating you? What are you up to? What are you up to? How have you been? How have you been? If you want to ask the same question to your friend, then you can say, hey buddy, how's going on? What's up? Hey, what's new? Hey dude, how are you? Hey buddy, what's going on in your life? Hey, where are you nowadays? Or how are you nowadays? Hey, tell me something about you. Tell me something about you. So dear learners, these are the questions that you can ask in the place of how are you. Now let us understand how do we reply how are you. Now let us understand if somebody is asking you how are you and you just say I am fine and you just feel that this is not the one or only one answer that I can ask. Now let us understand how can we reply how are you or so many questions like that. So you may say I'm not bad. I'm fantastic. I'm fantastic. Everything is alright. Everything is alright. So far so good. So far so good. I'm good. I'm good. Everything is alright. Everything is alright. I'm not bad. I'm not bad. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. It's alright. Or I'm alright. I'm absolutely superb. I'm absolutely superb. I'm well and good. I'm well and good. So dear learners, in this way you can answer how are you or so many questions like that. In this video, we understood that how can we make questions for how are you, what are the replacements of how are you, and we even understood like how can we answer how are you in some other ways. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and share this video. For getting this kind of videos, just get subscription today itself.